What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sway. Welcome back to another fire video for y'all. I hope everybody had a great holiday, great Christmas, and a happy new year to everybody as well. It's January 2nd today, so we just got done with the New Year's festivities. I had a great New Year's. Hope all y'all had the same. I spent some quality time with the fam. Had a couple of drinks, went into a crazy event. But let's just get on with the video, guys. I'm gonna insert a little clip of my New Year's, of how I spent it. I want to show y'all that. I recorded a little bit, so I'm gonna roll that footage right now, and then after that we'll get into the actual video. But first I wanted to just run this clip real quick for y'all.
Put them in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock. It been through a lot, but it's this shoe like new. We at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope.
This is my second cup of vodka.
Damn, I think I know the nigga. He cool with his bitch, we heavy lie. But we went the structure, but we played a lot. Got a goofy walking in and out, telling me.
All right, guys, this is my third cup of vodka. Whoa! Welcome to New Year. All right, guys. So yeah, I got a little lit for the New Year's. Nothing too crazy though. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I installed the pedal box on my car. Had a little mishap with it. So without further ado, let's roll into the actual footage for today's video, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys. So guess what just came in the mail? The pedal box for my Challenger. Let's get it. Let's open it up for y'all real quick to see what's inside. As soon as you open it up, you have the little controller right there. Let's open this up from here. And then all the wiring and everything. The little dock to post it up. We'll see if I do that one. I don't know yet. But the connectors and everything right here. And all the instruction menus and stuff like that. But without further ado, we gonna get straight into it and install this bitch. Let's get it. Let's get it done. We're gonna do it outside. Let's get it. Don't mind the dirty carpet. It looks worse on camera than it really is. So I don't know why it looks hella dirt. I just did it. I just plugged it in. Let's see if I can get a closer look for you so you guys can see right there. Right up there is where you plug it in. If you can see it right there, that connector right there is where it exactly goes in. And then it comes with this little, let me see if you can see that. This little plug right here. It goes into the factory one, so it's not just hanging there. But that's pretty much it. It was super easy to install. Now we're gonna go ahead and figure out what we're gonna do with this cord right here so it doesn't look all ugly like this. But I'll get back to y'all in a second. All right, guys, so let's start it up. You see there, it's green, so it has power, it's working. Right there, green is city, yellow is sport, red is sport plus. So yeah, we're gonna go and put it straight into Sport Plus, fuck it. So I guess if you hit this, oh wait, I think I gotta set it up still. One sec. Everything right, I'm pretty sure I did. So as you see there, it's in Sport Plus. It's pretty much maxed out right now. So that's Sport, and then you can change it to, I think that's off, and then that's green, which means city. Yellow, which means sport, and then red is Sport Plus. Let's go take it for a spin, see how she feels. Aggressive setting, Sport Plus off rip, just to see. Fuck it. Let's try it in city and see how it feels first, guys. There, we're in city, as y'all can see right there, city. Let's put it in custom. Right, let's go see how it feels. Put the window down, guys, so you can hear this crackle right now. Snack, crackle, pop. Rice Krispies in this bitch. So off rip in city, I'm not gonna lie, you can feel it a little bit. It goes off nothing. You press it a little bit and just wants to go. But enough of the city bullshit. Let's put this bitch in full sport plus, yo. Hit this button right there. All right, maxed out. Let's see how she feels now. I'm not gonna mash out though. You feel it for sure. Holy shit. Sport plus, that reaction time is insane. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's crazy. Yo, that shit rips off nothing. You press the gas a little bit, that shit goes. Holy. And I'm not even in track or nothing. Let's put her in full track and see how she feels. Oh my god, you definitely feel it. Oh my goodness, bro. That shit's crazy. The reaction time is insane. Jeez. You don't even have to, you don't even press it that much and it just goes. Holy crap, guys. That's nuts. That is nutty. Yeah, I'm going in front of these people. Oh my god. Oh my god. This shit is nuts, guys. Holy shit. This thing is a different beast, yo. I swear. I'm not even capping, guys. Y'all might think I'm capping and I'm overreacting, bro, but I'm really not. This shit's reaction time is insane now. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, I'm just gonna probably keep it in there for now. I don't really feel like putting a piece of tape or a piece of double-sided tape on here, so I think we're just gonna keep using that for now. As y'all can see, I have it in I'm leaving work right now. I have it in city right now. I'm just gonna leave it on that. That's usually probably the one I'm gonna be riding around with the most probably, but we'll see. All right, guys, so I'm driving around a little bit more right now, and I have it in city right now. If anybody has a Scat or a Hellcat or anything like that out there, y'all know that when you have it in street and stuff, the reaction time is a little slow, and the pedal box takes care of that issue. First time on the highway with the new pedal box, and on the highway it really shows the difference more than on the street. The highway, I'm in street mode. I'm not even in track or sport on the car itself. I'm in regular street, and there's no hesitation, no lag, nothing. It's insane. Highly recommend, guys. Highly recommend getting this done to your vehicle. At first I thought it was gonna be nothing crazy. I thought it was gonna be something you really didn't notice, but oh boy was I wrong. We woke up today, was making breakfast and everything, and I go to cold start the whip. As y'all can see, it's right there. See, I can see the whip from the kitchen. I go to start the car with the remote start, and it doesn't start. And I was like, did I leave a door open? I don't think so. I go outside, check, no doors open, nothing. I go to start the car, and the battery's dead, guys. How the heck is the battery dead? Let me go show you. Guys, so you can see the thing is working a little bit, but it's kind of faint. The horn is kind of quiet. But if I go and hit the button to start it up, push button with key fob, it's dead. Yeah, look at nothing. Dead. This turns on, stuff turns on, but nothing, doesn't crank over. Yep, nothing. I mean, it is pretty cold. It's like 20 degrees out right now, but I drove it yesterday. I drive it every day almost, and it's dead this morning. I'm gonna have to get a jump. Luckily I have a jump box, but it's at the dealership, so I'm gonna have to go over there. So I'm gonna have to get an Uber over there real quick because I have no other ride. I have my sister's whip right here, but let me show you real quick. I parked the Scat way too close to her car, so I can't get the car through there. It's way too small of a space. So yeah, So now I have to call an Uber. Nice. Guys, so we're back here. Just went to the dealer, grabbed my jump box right here. She should be ready to go to fire up. Let's see. She should be good though. She should be good. Oh God. Nothing. Let's give her a few seconds. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. For a few seconds. Oh God. What is good with this? Guys, so she's on. The check engine light is on. That red dot right there, I don't know what that even means, is on. Hopefully when we drive her and everything and then shut her off and then start it back on, it goes away, but we'll see. And then over here, nothing's really working. Like none of this is working for some reason, but let's keep warming her up and see what happens. All right, guys, so it's the next morning. And I obviously started it up as y'all seen in the video earlier. I got her started and everything. The check engine light and everything was on, but let's see if this is the next day. She's been sitting overnight again, so let's see if she starts. Yeah, she's good. All right, guys, so hope y'all like that upload right there. Did the pedal box install and had a little mishap with the pedal box. I didn't know you had it didn't turn off by itself, so I guess you got to put it in stock mode before you turn the car off so that the pedal box can turn off. And yeah, make sure you do that, because if you don't do that, you'll wake up the next day and your car will be dead, just like mine. But thankfully everything worked out well. I got the car started and everything, and the check engine light went off by itself after driving it a little bit. So everything with the car turned out great. My review on the pedal box is, I think it's a great product. I think anybody that has a Mopar product or any other vehicle, because I'm pretty sure they sell it for a lot of vehicles, I really think you guys should get it for your vehicle. The response time is insane. I personally didn't think that it was going to be that crazy when I bought it, but turns out it is pretty good. It dropped the camera, guys. But yeah, so my review is 100%. I'm definitely satisfied with the product, definitely worth it in my opinion. So I recommend it to everybody. I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you guys can check out the product for yourselves if y'all interested. But yeah, I love it. Response time now is insanely fast. Really, it's insane how much it changed the car, honestly. I didn't think it was gonna be that crazy, but it really did. So that's my final review, guys. I hope y'all like that upload right there. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos, any new installations on the Scat. Let everybody know that this is the best channel on YouTube. Fuck it. Let's get it, guys. 2021, we gonna fucking pop off. We gonna reach 1,000 subscribers quick. And we just keep going. We're gonna keep growing after that. So I hope 2021 is a great year for the channel. I hope we do crazy things, and I'm gonna keep producing this content. I'm gonna get better, obviously, and I'm trying to get more consistent as well for 2021. Let's get it.